if your moisturizer right now, guys, is making your skin feel sticky, oily, and dull, why not try to consider, mga kapatids, trying this Face Republic Vita Radiance Niacin 10 Cream. So, ganito yung itsura ng kanyang packaging. Ayan. Tapos, ganito naman po ang itsura ng mismong actual component. So, this moisturizer, guys, is perfect for those na merong oily skin or anyone looking for a lightweight moisturizer na meron pong matte finish. And what's great about this moisturizer, guys, if you have uneven or dull skin, guys, you will love this product kasi meron po itong mga ingredients that can help improve our overall complexion. So this has a natural tone-up effect, guys, that even men will love. Tama po yung narinig nyo, kahit lalaki po ang gumamit ng product na to, hindi po mai-intimidate. Kasi yung tone-up effect nito, mga kapatids, pwede pang lalaki and pang babae. Kasi very natural, fresh ka lang tignan, and kahit morena ka na gumamit, katulad ko, yung tone-up effect niya, hindi yung parang naligo ka ng sunscreen na merong white cast or nagpulbos ka ng very maputi, mga kapatids. Hindi po ganyan. Makikita niyo naman sa video kung ano yung itsura sa face ko. In terms of key ingredients naman, guys, itong product na to contains 10% niacinamide that is known for brightening. Meron din po itong panthenol, tocopherol, and ascorbic acid that can help minimize our pores, reduce sebum production, and can smoothen our skin. Also, this product, guys, is dermatologically tested. This is FDA approved. So, sa mga bibili nito, ayan, makampante na kayo kasi FDA approved po ito. This is vegan. This is made in Korea. And ang content amount nito, guys, ay 50 ml. I tested this multiple times na, and masasabi ko, mga kapatid, sa mga times na nag-commute ako and nag-motor kami ni Harvey, napaka-okay ng oil control ng moisturizer na to. And lastly, guys, this is the type of moisturizer that doesn't flake or nagbuo-buo when layered sa sunscreen or foundation. Ito yung ginamit ko na moisturizer before po ako nag-makeup earlier, and as you can see, yung base ko, as in, ang ganda. Kasi merong mga ibang moisturizer na, alam mo yung nagbuo-buo, guys, kapag pinatungan na ng ibang products. Pero ito, ayan o, mas nakakakinis pa siya ng face. So, overall, if you're looking for a summer-friendly na moisturizer na okay for oily skin, I highly recommend this, mga kapatids. You can click this yellow basket para madirect po kayo sa shop ng Face Republic, or kung wala po kayong nakita dyan na yellow basket, you can visit my TikTok showcase and hanapin niyo po itong product na to. Now, if you're watching this sa ibang platform, you can check the product link, guys, sa description or sa caption.